The engineers who invented electric cars are truly geniuses. They have caused the prices of gasoline cars to drop from 90% and 80% to 50%. The electricity for electric cars is converted from the battery's direct current, DC, to alternating current, AC, which is then transmitted to the motor. The motor mainly consists of two parts. One is the stator, the other is the rotor. The stator is fixed. Its main function is to generate a rotating magnetic field. The rotor interacts with the stator through electromagnetic forces to achieve power transmission, driving the car to move. When you press the accelerator, a signal is sent to the controller, which then adjusts the frequency of the AC current in the motor through an inverter to regulate the car's speed. Here's an interesting fact. The inverter also has a function where, when you decelerate or brake, it converts AC back to DC, effectively charging the battery. The key point is that the energy for electric cars mainly comes from the battery, arranged in what is called a traction battery pack. The amount of energy stored in the battery directly affects your driving range. Tesla is an example of such an electric car. Of course, there are also hybrid electric vehicles, which have both an internal combustion engine that burns gasoline to generate power and an electric motor that uses electricity as power. These two sources combine to drive the car, like Toyota's cars and our BYD, among others. Since electric cars do not have a combustion chamber, they are very quiet during operation, with little noise and no exhaust emissions. They have many advantages. Do you think electric cars can replace gasoline cars and become the mainstream? Like and follow for more informative videos.